I hope all is well with you all. I am doing well on this side. As promised, I'm using borrowed bananas because my other bananas is ripe. This is a green borrowed banana. I'm going to slice it, peel it. After I finish peeling it, I'll show you guys what I'm going to do next. Okay, you guys, this is a simple, I like simple recipes, okay? You're just going to peel it just like that. And my little helper is going to lay them on the parchment paper. Come over here. I'm going to just throw it over there and you lay it. See? Thin slices.
It looks funny. They're very thin. Very thin.
Very simple recipe.
They're going to be kind of sweet because they will have ripe.
Yeah, this one will have a little sweet taste. And like she said, these are half ripe. And you can use a regular green banana, okay?
Or boiled bananas.
If that's your preference. And normally what I do, because as you get towards the middle, it's a little more softer. Let me just get my knife and just cut it. However you want it. These are thicker pieces, so it's like a little French fry. These are like French fries, okay?
What's this brown piece on it?
Where? No, it start turning colors. That's why you have to hurry up and
Oh, sorry.
cook them or do whatever you're going to do. It's like a regular potato. Start oxidizing.
Or apple.
Or apple.
Because apples like to oxidize too.
Mm-hmm. See? Thin little slice.
I don't want those ones.
You don't want the big ones?
I like them thin.
And as you can see, the sugars, I guess you might can see it.
I can see it.
So I just cut them in like little French fries.
Okay, I want some.
Okay, I should have got the larger pan. I think I'm gonna get the larger pan.
And make some more.
No, we're gonna transfer those onto the
Really?
larger. No, I'm not. I don't have to take them off.
Oh.
Just leave these here. Gonna peel these.
But you need a bigger piece of parchment paper.
We'll see. Might try to make that work. We might have to rearrange it a little bit. Do you mind?
Yeah, I like doing. And I like
And we're gonna
doing.
make these little fries. You can slice these thin as well. I'm like, what if I'm not recording? I'll be right back. Okay, I have Ezrana. She's working so hard. I'll show you guys what's going on. Slide
What's
this.
going on? And it's fun.
Slide it. Ooh, slide it over. There you go. And just put the rest.
See, I'm doing the French fries.
You want to single layer these.
These are where the French fries go up on the top. Ooh, here's a French fry.
Okay. And next, we're gonna put.
This is a French fry.
I'm gonna turn it. I hope you guys can see that.
Those are the French fries over here.
Okay.
They look
Oh,
white.
this one is extra thick. So I have my coconut oil. I wish it was melted, but it's not.
Can I help spread it?
So
please?
I'm just gonna sprinkle like this.
Ooh, can I help?
No, not with this, because it's
Messy.
I could get a brush, which I don't have one that I have to get one that I can use for Adriana.
Can I massage it in there?
Okay, what you can do is take this and rub it on those long ones. I'll do these. I mean those are the flat ones. And you know what's gonna happen too? They're all gonna be absorbed in the oil because it's going to melt.
Mom, look at my hands. They're shiny.
Yeah.
Shiny.
Okay, smear those on.
Feel good. This spoon doesn't feel like a spoon.
It doesn't.
Feel like a banana. Because of my little shiny hands.
Okay, I'm gonna get salt.
Oops.
That's pretty good, Adriana. Yeah, that's pretty good. My oven is preheated. I have my salt here, and you guys look at the other video and you'll see the finished product. Let me see if my phone will let me hold this video. I'll be back. Okay, you guys, my oven is on conventional at 420. Ooh, it's trying to focus. 425 conventional. And I'm gonna cook them for about 10 minutes. And I'm gonna check them. I think I put it on 15. Put it on 10. Yeah, 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna check them here and there, and hopefully we'll be back. If not, you do it for just press timer and then press 10. Start. I didn't only put, you can put whatever seasoning that you want. I only put the salt because Adriana's going to be eating these as well. But if it was me, I would have put whatever I wanted, what flavors I was going for. And they are great on a sandwich. You can eat them by themselves.
Yum.
They're really, really good. Don't tell my husband that I found a way to make my own chips because I like for him to slice them. He used a knife and he thinly sliced them. So don't tell him, okay? We'll be back. Hello. Hey, you guys, we're back. Now, I did 10 minutes, and I didn't check them before the 10 minutes was up. I'm going to show y'all what we got here. Some of them are a little, extra brown. But, right? Oh, these are so good. Oh, these are, These are so, I got some salt on here, y'all. So be careful with that salt. And then we got our little fries.
Are they hot?
Oh yeah. Straight out the oven.
Well,
And
why are you touching them?
you want to eat these when they're right out the oven. Because it's just like regular French fries. They will
Not taste good.
right.
And that's how it is with me. I didn't like it.
Okay. Let y'all see the fries. Can y'all see that?
Pretty
Ooh.
good, doers.
Y'all see the chips? Okay, let's see how they taste. We got some salt. Too salty. Got some salt.
I like these bad boys.
You know, delicious.
Dad's gonna love these.
No, he's not. We can't tell him. Look at that fry, y'all. I thought you didn't want the fry.
Well, now I do.
Is it too salty?
Yeah, a little bit.
You can shake the salt off. I did a little bit too much salt. But they're perfect. Now, I hope you guys go and make the chip.
He's good.
Or your bacon. Look at that. Don't that look like bacon?
Oh,
Look at that bacon.
I'm in heaven.
You in
I'm in
heaven.
heaven.
You in heaven. Y'all, don't that look like some bacon? You see how thin? I don't think my husband cut them this thin.
Nope.
So cook them for about 8 minutes. Not 10. And watch them. Even the thicker ones is ready. I'll just clean the sink. Check that out. My
And
piece
check
of
this
bacon.
out. I'm taking a piece of fry out.
Or fry. I keep saying bacon. Anyway, 1,000 roses, you guys. One love, how we do it, baby.
One love.
How we do it, baby.
One love.
How we do it.
One love.
All right, y'all.
Hold up, let me show them again.
Thanks for watching.